What if attackers could extract data from your database without triggering any direct response from the application? That's exactly what out-of-band SQL injection enables. Unlike traditional SQL injection, this method doesn't rely on visible error messages or response delays. Instead, attackers exfiltrate data through external channels, like DNS lookups or HTTP requests, completely outside the standard response flow. Here's how it works. An attacker finds a web application that's vulnerable to SQL injection but doesn't return database output directly. Instead of a normal message, they inject SQL that instructs the database to perform a DNS lookup to a domain they control. The database processes the request and sends out a DNS query containing sensitive data. That query reaches the attacker's server, leaking data silently without any response on the front end. Take this example. This command instructs the database to perform a DNS lookup to attacker.com. It confirms the vulnerability and allows data to leave the system silently. Different databases expose different functions. Oracle uses UTL HTTP. MS SQL uses XP directory. MySQL can exploit load file, and PostgreSQL can leak files using PG read file. To defend against out-of-band SQL injection, use parameterized queries, restrict outbound connections from the database, disable risky functions, monitor DNS and HTTP activity, and deploy security tools that can detect and block covert exfiltration. Platforms like AppTrana block SQL injection attempts in real time and restrict outbound traffic, preventing data exfiltration via DNS or HTTP, stopping advanced attacks like out-of-band SQL injection before any damage occurs. For more insights on securing your applications and APIs, subscribe to our newsletter using the link below.